Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Chase account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your Chase account's password, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in chase.com and make a search. The official page of Chase account will appear on the screen. Tap on sign in option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Forgot Username or Password option. Now enter your SSN or tax ID, your account or card number or application number and click on Next. Follow the further instructions provided and finally you will be able to reset the password of your mobile banking service of Chase Bank account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.